Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Body Cam Watch, and the title of the video is Cop Spring Trap on Pair of Clueless Shoplifters. Let's get into the video. Let's see what they talking about, man. Hopefully this is a good one.
He's in alcohol and she's...
What's that girl?
Yeah, that girl, and then he's over here. So they were putting stuff into the bag and then also took some price tags off with some items that they have on.
These are always fun. They're always running and shit, so that's why I get here fast.
This would be my first.
If they run?
If they run,
yeah. I like to wait till they come separate, because if you get them separate, one runs the other way and one runs the other way. So if you get them together, you have like the same general travel, more or less, you know?
Oh, there it is.
Hot Pockets.
See, they selected another bag there.
Probably gonna be a lot. It's closing.
So, there. Well, they're loaded up for sure.
Yeah. Probably family level, huh?
96 Central Watch, if I was in my in front of the UPS store.
Oh, look, they're gonna load up on an MSU stuff.
Yeah, pricier?
Those are so expensive. They're about $30 shirts, yeah. So
Okay.
they're pretty pricey.
Cool.
And they loaded up a bunch of NMSU stuff in that cart as well.
Walmart has some great security. Yeah, no, I can't talk. Walmart has some great security cameras, man. A lot of times we see in these stores that the cameras are kind of blurry and they don't work and stuff like that. Like Walmart, they're on top of this stuff. Like you could zoom in, see them crystal clear.
Oh.
We're like more than 200.
Like, look
right
at that. Wow.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe, right?
Yeah.
You guys are gonna want to pursue, right? Yeah. Okay. They were like, why did you guys give me so fast? So they were like, I was like, oh, that's right.
There it goes.
Like, they always run.
They just split up, so they're loading two carts now.
It's that guy.
that dude, and then
He's looking hard
that
too.
lady.
Yeah, she's gonna go to liquor, so they're probably gonna try and steal liquor.
They loaded a bunch of them.
Oh, what he's gonna do, he's probably gonna put liquor in that bag. There we go. Let me see. Oh, he's gonna open the bag. There we go.
Doing that shit fast.
Yeah.
Hang on, bro. We gotta. Like,
He's been waddling around the store.
He go waddle out, dude.
It's like 70s.
Because she can run.
That's her. Is she concealing stuff too?
Yeah. So there's a backpack underneath there. Also, the glasses on her head, or she took off the price tag.
And he already took off the price tag to the backpack he just selected.
Did he conceal it?
Maybe
No,
he
he
should
hasn't
he was just keeping him in his pockets for like easy scan.
One could only hope.
Easy scan.
Look at that. Hey, look at that. Right into the bag. There we go.
What is it, a bottle?
Yeah. I mean, they know we have cameras.
That's what we tell people. We're like, you know, Walmart has better cameras than most banks, right?
Yeah.
Yo, these cameras are fire, bro. They zoomed in to the other TV monitor that is oh my god. Yo, them cameras is fire, bro. Yo, I need them joints for the crib. You hear me? Like, yo, they didn't even zoom in on the person. They zoomed in on the TV monitor, and it was so clear that it showed on the other TV monitor what they were doing. Oh my god.
They're probably loading all that too, huh?
Yeah. So that has a
Security.
thing on it, so I wouldn't doubt if they're just gonna try and run.
Yeah, he's putting that bottle in
Like,
the
look.
bag now.
There we go.
They're going fast too, huh? Like,
Look, she's grabbing a lot of.
He's gonna go probably around hats.
How much shit's out of here too fast?
Huh?
It should be like a 300 sound right there with all the meat she's grabbing.
No, look. Oh yeah, she's sucking up on me. That's a good indicator right there. And they're just throwing stuff, so they're not even looking at price tags, so that's like another indicator.
Yeah, they're not grabbing great value stuff like I do.
Yeah, I know, right? Like the people that work hard for their money.
Great value, bro. Those are pretty good.
Yeah, they're great value for Loops. The way to go.
Someone's when they can.
Sorry, Chris.
Wow.
24, right?
Yeah.
Damn, green chili is like $6. But
I don't know where to go. Hold on.
See, that's how you know we all work.
Where'd he go? Did you see him?
He's too fast. He juked you out. There he is.
More clothes.
They've been getting NMSU shirts and
So I'm gonna go full screen because we're gonna do this.
They're getting ready for the season, the football season, you know? Does he have an ankle monitor on?
Does he? No, that's his shoes.
Oh. I was like, you gotta be kidding.
I had a guy stealing me last week. He had an ankle monitor about a lot. He was trying to steal like almost a $200 ice chest.
oh, and Riddle?
He just stuffed something in his pocket.
Yeah, he did.
He's on a mission. He's moving.
He's got the slurp. That's an indicator as well. We call it the slurp. They all do. They all come in with that.
She ain't trying to hide nothing.
They're thinking they're just gonna push right on out and pass through us because they know they don't have to stop for us. But they gotta stop for you.
That's a lot of cheese, dude. That's a lot of cheese. For real.
Do you guys take them to jail or just cite them?
No, for this
I'll let
this
you
round.
take them to jail.
Okay.
that's the entrance that we're at now.
No, that's he's pushing to the other side.
So, boy, William Henry.
Is he about to
Right.
go out?
Want to start walking out?
Does he have a mask on now? Yep, he put his mask up. He's gonna do
now,
it.
yeah.
He's gonna push out now, so he got his mask up. Oh, and this one.
I'll be honest.
Okay. Did you say over here?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh, so that's not this entrance?
it's not this one. No, this is grocery.
Coming this side.
Should be walking out pretty soon.
Yeah, he's still looking at that same spot that he was at.
This fire, bro.
He's
I would
putting the
love to do
backpack
this.
on right now.
Your adrenaline starts pumping just because you're like, dude, like, what the heck? Why are you doing this?
Check it out.
He's going right now. He's exiting.
Should probably just
He's got the backpack on with the mask on as well.
not allow him to call her.
He's outside.
Come here, man.
You don't have to get on the ground. You don't have to get on the ground.
You're fine. Just relax. Do what we tell you, okay?
Just get up, bud. Stand up.
Stand up.
Thank you. Put your feet under you. There you go. I'll get your stuff. I'll get your glasses. I'll get them. Walk over there.
We're gonna take the backpack off.
You understand why we're talking with you right now? You have an idea? Okay. We'll go over that in detail in just a moment, okay, young man? All right.
You guys trying to move him out of the way, away from the GM side so she...
Sam.
Let's just do a quick search for weapons because there's a female that's with her.
Oh.
I want to get the female now.
She's pushing out right now.
About to push out, bro.
That same door. She's wearing like a flower
She
shirt and she's
booking
got a
it.
basket full, like $1,000 worth of stuff.
Just let her go up.
Terrible. Come here.
What are you thinking about?
That was the stupidest thing you've ever done.
Do I have to get arrested or can I just, I got a 16-year-old at home by herself.
That's too bad. She can go with CPS.
Can I just get a ticket and go home?
No.
We have a female detained too, so.
Let me know what.
And you guys want to press charges?
For sure, press charges. Yes, all the way, everything we can. Especially she tried to run. She knew she was wrong. Shame on that old lady. Dang, you too old to be doing that, lady.
Way too old.
This is her personal property, right? We don't have any information that she might have something.
I
that
believe
was
that
stolen?
is correct. There's alcohol in here, which is what he was suspected of taking.
That's fine.
Well, I know you're sorry. It's too late for that.
Is it really?
Yes.
I can go home?
Nope.
Thank you.
Come on, Beth.
Listen, real quick. We're gonna ask you questions. We're gonna talk to you and all that good stuff. But you know you have Miranda rights, right? You don't have to answer any of my questions or make any statements unless you have an attorney present. You understand that, right?
Sure.
Okay, and you can at any time enact those rights. You understand that, right? So I'm not gonna read it to you verbatim, but you understand you're a grown ass man, right?
Sure.
Okay.
And 52A.
Why is he trying to run?
Dude, did you see that?
I don't think that's how that worked, bro. you gotta read him his rights, bro. Like, what type of half-ass stuff was that? A good lawyer would chew that. What? You ain't read me my? Oh yeah, you talking about what? What? No, I don't understand. No.
I was watching it all and kind of weird laughing. We're like, why is he gonna try to run from like 18 cops out there?
Bro, Chris started giving commands. I couldn't even muster commands. I started laughing. Dude, I started laughing. You watch my video later. It's Chris is barking commands, and I'm just giggling as I'm jogging after her.
Well, I'm sorry. I just got nervous, and I'm just trying to feed my family. That's all.
I'm gonna go ahead and take everything out of the pocket. Is there anything gonna poke me, stick me?
No.
Okay.
Well, hang tight. We'll let you know how much the amount could be.
She took a lot of stuff, bro. Impersonating a cop?
Just have a...
Like Halloween store?
Yeah, they're doing so there's this gentleman hat, and then there's
A gun? Oh yeah, he done, boy. He is
Where did
cooked.
that come from?
his weird.
Oh, like I said, you already remember you have rights, right? Are you a felon? No. You're not a felon? You're legally allowed to have firearm?
It's inoperable.
It's inoperable?
Yeah, don't worry.
They're all loaded.
3, 4, 5. Yeah.
ISO 22.
Yeah.
10 rounds.
You don't got nothing in your shoes?
No.
Are you sure? Okay.
For 1080 when you're free.
We can put him in there.
My ring.
I got it right now. I got it right here.
Go sit down.
Nate is Astra, Adam's Farm.
The receipts? They just barely gave them to me.
Already?
Yeah.
How much is it?
So they did it separately. His is 207. And hers...
They were working together though, so they get charged together.
Yeah.
Hers 770. Shoo, that's almost like... Oh, yeah. Okay.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.